Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm doing a very impromptu Facebook Live. I'm just going to check that it is working. Group. Okay, looks like everything's working okay. Yes, I am in my kitchen. Yes, I'm just running this live off my laptop. And yes, I realised because I'm on my laptop, you can see the live producer. I've just woken up, but I wanted to show you and talk you through. Let me put that down. But I wanted to show you. Okay, the volume is working. Yeah, I wanted to talk to you about this brand new. Sorry, I'm making coffee. I'm ready to go up to the gym. I want to talk to you about this brand new search box optimization. My friend Barry and their team have got the exclusive rights to run this. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, imagine going back, I don't know when SEO started, let's say 20 years ago. Going back 20 years ago when websites started becoming the norm, everyone was getting one, and people realized that search engine optimization was like a thing. Every single person and their dog set up an agency, started promoting an SEO service, which is fine, and it's still needed, although people say it's dead, etc. Being number one on Google, etc., is like the be all and end all. Okay, and as you can see here, this is a world premiere of the search box optimization. This is like getting early access to SEO 20 years ago, way before it got flooded, way before everyone really even knew what it was, and people still don't really know what it is. But let me show you. I think there's an image at the bottom here. This is search box optimization. When you go to Google and you type in personal injury attorney Boston, Google then starts to recommend different things. You've seen it yourself. It's great for keyword research when you go into Google, because they know all the keywords that people are searching for, so it's worth using Google. But you can see this example here: personal injury attorney Boston, Michael O. Smith. So that's Google. Google's search box is recommending one specific person, and this is a client of Barry's. He's one of the beta testers. But when someone clicks on that, not only does it take them to their website, but everything on the Google search, if you've got enough things online, everything is about personal injury attorney Boston, Michael O. Smith. So you're eliminating your competition just from the search box. I mean, I went on a training the other day with Barry and the team, and I've actually already pushed a few clients their way. You don't need to know anything. I mean, anything. You could be brand new. You could have joined my group today. You could have joined, excuse me. You could have just started affiliate marketing. You'd just be part of the Groove group. You may have never built anything in your life. It does not matter. This is why I woke up early this morning. It's blowing my mind. So, I'll give you a very quick overview of what you can do with this. First things first, Barry and his team are the only people on the planet that have access to this, that they can set this up for a keyword. So the keyword in this one would have been personal injury attorney Boston, Michael O. Smith. Takes every single client directly to Michael Smith's stuff, and if he's got enough stuff on Google about him, then he'll cover page one, so you get no competition. Now you can go out to a client, walk them through exactly what this does, how it works, sell them one keyword for about, I think, $675 a month. You don't even touch it, you don't do any of the actual work, and you split, I think it's half, you get that half of that monthly recurring. Now, the reality is, if I'm a personal injury attorney Boston, I'm going to want more than just that one keyword. I'm going to want a lot of other keywords as well. So I'm going to pick maybe, you know, I've got 2 of my current clients who I've just recommended it to, just said about it, and I'm charging them a lower amount because they're my clients, but they've already gone for 4 keywords each. And that's their testing. They're like, well, let me take 4 keywords around their specific subject, and then I will look at taking more. So when we talk about a 10-month recurring, you know, if you're talking about, I think it's about $375 per month you can charge or get paid, but you can charge more, by the way, but this is just what they recommend. So $375 per month for 1 keyword, 10 of those, that's $3,700 a month. I mean, this is just ridiculous. You don't have to touch it, you don't have to do anything, you just literally hand the client over to the team, away they go, and they will smash this. So I've got Barry's doing a live training for my group. I'm kind of late to it. I've been away in Puerto Vallarta, so that's why I'm doing a quick live now. If you would like to be invited to that early access training, then comment down below search box optimization or SBO, and I'll set up my little automation bot with EL Messenger, and it will ping you over the opt-in page link. Like I say, I want to keep it kind of to my group. I've not really gone out there to the masses, but it's blowing my mind. You know, I'm genuinely, look, I work hard, I've got some really great clients and I love what I do, but let me be real, I work hard, I'm busy. You know, running an agency is hard. And if you're thinking about starting your own agency, whether it's funnels or ads or whatever it is, then you've still got to service those clients. Yes, I have staff out in the Philippines, but I've still got to manage those stuff. So every single day I'm busy with what I need to do. This has the potential for me to go and set this up with 20, 30 different clients with 2 or 3 on average keywords each, and generate 10K plus per month and never have to lift another finger. Because if you had personal injury attorney Boston Michael O. Smith in the search box optimization and you paid for that, you're never going to let that go. And again, Barry's going to show you on the training the uplift on traffic from Google when they've done this for clients, when they've done this for the beta testers. I'm doing this for my own brand new business, my Temecula events company. You know, so I want you to be there. I want you to see how, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're running your own agency, whatever you're doing right now, you could add a side hustle, just walking people through this, just showing them how, and working with Barry's team. As I say, special invite only. Comment down below, search box optimization or SBO. It's really hard not to say SEO because your brain is kind of auto-triggered. But this is going to blow people out of the water. You know, can you imagine what someone would pay for those keywords? Personal injury attorney, Boston, Michael O. Smith, to get your name at the top of Google. I don't know, you're talking probably $20, $30, $40, $50, I don't know, $100. But with this, you're putting yourself right at the top of the search box. When someone clicks on it, you're then or it's telling Google again that this person's relevant, so it keeps it there. Can you imagine how this is going to grow your business, or how it can grow anyone's business? Can you imagine some of the big fish out there who you could go and approach, and they'll take 20 keywords times $375 a month? What's that, like $7,000 a month? You know, this is absolutely crazy, and I'm sorry I'm not more excited. I've just literally woken up. I was like, I've got to do a quick video into the group to let you guys know about it. Wednesday, tomorrow, we go live, so please comment down below, SBO or search box optimization. I'll set up my little my automation, which will fire you the link. Register as soon as you can, and I will see you tomorrow. Any questions, again, pop them in the chat. If you've never even heard of search box optimization, if you're excited about seeing it, please tell me below. I haven't been as excited about like something like this. Stuff comes across my desk all the time. I do affiliate marketing. I love recurring affiliate marketing where you do the work once and you don't have to do it again. This is that. But this is something that is brand new, that when you approach a business owner and you show them and you go to Google and you show some examples, they're just going to be like, yeah, where do I sign? You know, what do I do to get this? And to be clear, each specific keyword, like personal injury attorney Boston Michael O. Smith, can only be held by one person, where they can have that targeting working. So a lot of keywords are going to go very, very quickly. Just imagine some of the big keywords out there, or keyword phrases. If you could get that, and maybe an affiliate marketer, or you're promoting your own products or whatever it is, if you can get that and then you've got that for life, obviously you've got to keep paying it. Imagine the amount of additional traffic you're having going to your website, your stuff. So yeah, I'm absolutely blown away. Comment down below. That's it from me. Have a phenomenal day. I'm going to finish making my coffee and I'm going to get up to the gym and go and work out and get my day started. Any questions, pop them in the comments, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.